In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a product in Odoo. Now, the first thing you want to do once you sign into your account on their official website, you want to go into apps, and from here under sales, you want to click on sales. Now, once you are inside sales here, you want to click on start now, it's free. And from here, you want to basically create your project for sales, okay? So over here, I'm just going to give it a company name. I'm going to just type in instant how to, there we go. And then I'm going to click on start now. Now, whenever you do this, it's going to start loading for a few seconds, and whenever that's done, it's going to say welcome to Odoo. And here you'll be able to basically skip through this by just clicking, or sometimes it's going to just load in automatically. And whenever that's done, you'll be able to start building your sales just like that, okay? You want to click over here. It doesn't matter where, you just click on the site here, and it's going to give you this sales over here. Now I'm going to stop the tour, and I'm going to click on the sales. And then inside sales here, you can go ahead and basically create products by going to up top where it says products, top left, and you want to click on products again. Now this is going to open your products, and over here it's going to say create a new product. You can click on the new button top left. And whenever you do that, you'll see that over here you can just create a new product. So you can just basically add it by giving it a name. I'm going to name this one, for example, sample right now. And then whenever you do this, you can go ahead and basically type in all the info regarding this specific product you want to add. So here you could do product type, you could do invoicing policy, you have a track inventory, you have prices, etc. And whenever you've done that, you're good to go. So over here right now, I'm just going to type in something. Sales price is going to be, for example, 10, and then you can do taxes, you can do cost, you could do like whatever you want to do over here. Of course, click all through this. You can also do this star, which is going to basically kind of star it, and it's going to make it your favorite. And yeah, that's pretty much how you create your product. Okay, so if I now go to products over here, you'll be able to see, there we go, here's my sample product. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.